I couldn't keep up. We, on average, over the course of the summer, we're booking 3 to 4 jobs a day, and I was booked out 2.5 weeks, sometimes 3 weeks at a time. The amount of income that I made compared to my previous jobs and professions was about triple that. My net income was low 6 figures. The NRVTA, the different ideas that you gather, the inspiration that you get from different leads and instructors, Todd. All in all, whether you get your degree or certification here at the NRVTA and you want to start your own business, or you go out and you work at a dealership and get some hands-on ahead of time. Maybe you want to work for another tech that started a business. It's your own journey, it's your own adventure. Make it what you will, but just go and do it.